Hey, good afternoon. It's Tony at Smart Budget Cars in Madison. And check out this vehicle that just came in on trade. This is a Chevy Silverado Z71, Z71. And how unusual is this? It's a Duramax 2.8 liter diesel. What a great looking truck. And it's got all the goodies on it. See up front, projector style headlights, fog lights down low. It's riding on those 17-inch off-road wheels and tires. Factory running boards. Duramax diesel. This is kind of a green metallic, really a dark green color. Great looking vehicle with the Z71 badging across the back. You've got your step-up bumpers right there. Put your foot right there and up you go. You see it does have the Class 3 trailer towing package, which would be no problem for this truck to pull. Let's go ahead and take a look in the bed. Okay, so we've got a spray-in bed liner, which looks like it's in excellent condition, and then a soft cover tonneau. There's your bed lights in the back, and then this one does have a third brake light or a backup camera right there underneath the bow tie. Overall, the condition's excellent. Man, this thing is nice. If you're looking for a mid-size pickup, a Chevy Colorado, this would be a great vehicle for you. It has like super low miles on it, like 4,000 miles. I'm going to go inside and show you all the goodies that are there. Hang loose. Okay, so here in the driver's seat, you can see we've got a leather wrap steering wheel, all your fingertip controls right there on the steering wheel, power windows and power door locks. Here's your gauges. I think it has like 7,500 miles on it, so this thing is near new. Got a full app suite as part of your sound system. Automatic temperature controls, heated seats down there. Looks like we have heated back and fronts. Automatic transmission. Down here I've got the full owner's booklet package and the original window sticker, which I think is over 40,000. Kind of a gray charcoal interior, cloth leather combination. There's your driver's seat, excellent condition. Passenger seat, excellent condition. We've got our OnStar controls up here. Overhead lighting, place for your sunglasses. So a really great truck. If you need to pull something, you need a camper puller, a boat puller, and you're looking at the new ones, and you got to check out this used Colorado. Let's see what year this bad boy is. I think it's a 2017 crew cab. Remote keyless entry. This is a nice rig. If you need one, don't hesitate to call. I'm pretty confident this truck's not going to stick around very long. Hey, when you do call in, ask for Gary Frederick or check out this vehicle on GarySellsCars.com. Thanks for watching.